hindi ba ito isang scam o tahasang panlililang sa
Argumentative,
pera ng
Your
taong
Honor.
bayan? This time, defense, I'm asking about the liquidation report, Nakapag-certify ka sa liquidation report na tama yung pinagamitan, kahit hindi mo nakita personal paano ginamit ni Colonel Lachica yung pera, hindi po ba?
Misleading, Your Honor. The liquidation report contains a different statement, Your Honor. It's box A, certified correctness of the above data, Your Honor. So the factual premise of the question is incorrect, Your Honor.
That's a liquidation report, Your Honor.
Let me counsel. Ma'am Gina, nung sinabi niyo pong certified correct yung nakapaloob sa liquidation report, ang pinagbasehan niyo pa rin ay yung impormasyong binigay sa inyo ni Colonel Lachica at hindi po personal niyong kaalaman na doon nga nagastos yung pera.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, ang gisertify ko dito sa liquidation report, Your Honor, is the correctness of the above data, Your Honor. Ito lang pong period covered na tama, Your Honor. Ito pong particulars na tama, Your Honor. Entity, Your Honor, tama po, Your Honor. Ang amount, tama po, Your Honor. Kani po ang buot ipasabot nga gisertify na ko ang above data kana po nga data, Your Honor.
At nakalagay po nga sa datang yan kung paano ginastos yung confidential fund. Liquidation report nga po eh. Di po ba?
Above data po kasi, Your Honor.
Kaya nga po, nakalagay po sa above data. Can you can you scroll up please?
Scroll up, please. The old documents.
Can you zoom in on the
Zoom in, please.
particulars? Yan po, yung liquidation nga po, sinertify nyo na yung liquidation ay tama.
Opo, Your Honor.
At ang basehan ng liquidation, yung mga dokumentong binigay ng security officer na si Colonel Lachica.
Opo, Your Honor.
Hindi po yung personal ninyong kaalaman na dun nga nagastos yun, kundi base sa kanyang binigay sa inyong impormasyon at mga dokumento.
Opo, Your Honor, kasi wala po ako doon. Siya po ang nag-implement, Your Honor. Nag-disperse lang po ako ng pera sa kanya, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me
Counsel,
continue,
you might
Your
think
Honor.
of other questions already because I think the witness said that about 20 times already.
Yes,
That
sir.
was not there.
We'll go to, this time, Your Honor, hindi na liquidation report. Last points, accomplishment report naman. Or, let's not belabor the point, ma'am. I'll go directly to the point. Accomplishment report for 2022, 3 quarters, sinasabi nyo na tama yung pinagamitan ng pera ng taong bayan, 500 million pesos, kalahating bilyon, pera ng taong bayan, sinertify nyo na tama yung pinagamitan kahit wala kayong personal na alam kung totoo bang tama yung pinagamitan ni Colonel Lachica kasi nga nag-rely lang kayo sa sinabi ni Colonel Lachica sa inyo, hindi po ba?
Nag-rely
Misleading,
po.
Your Honor. The witness testified that she relied on the statements and the documents, not merely the.
That is my question, Your Honor. If she relied on
That was the
statement-
question, Counsel. If she relied on the documents given and statements made by Colonel Lachica, which you said several times, na confidential yon, di ba? You may repeat it again, Ma'am Gina. Your answer.
Nag-rely po ako, nakagawa po ako ng utilization report based po sa pagpangutana, pag-verify ko kay Security Officer Lachica na kana Ma'am Gina, sensitive information na o confidential information o mga dokumento nga gihatag nga gikan kay Security Officer Colonel Lachica nga ni sa ako
Ma'am, curious lang ako. May sinabi po ba siyang confidential to, yan lang ang pwedeng bigay ko sa'yo, wala na akong pwedeng bigay sa'yo iba? May ganun po ba?
Ang sinabi po niya, Your Honor, those transaction po or those operation po are sensitive and confidential in nature, Your Honor.
Kaya wala na po siyang bibigay na iba pang dokumento maliban dyan?
Oy, yung mga dokumento na binigay niya sa akin, Your Honor,
Yun lang yun, hanggang dun lang.
hanggang doon lang po, Your Honor.
Okay.
Five questions. Hindi ba't
You promised before lunch, Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, 5 questions. Hindi po ba, Madam Witness, pinalabas nyo na kayo mismo ang naghanda ng physical and financial plans para sa confidential funds ng Office of the Vice President for 2022 tsaka 2023? Gayon ang totoo. Si Colonel La Chica lamang pala ang nagsabi kung anong dapat isulat sa mga planong iyan sa plan.
Sorry, Your Honor. I confused with your question, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I will not repeat the question. I'll move on to the next.
I think that's already on the record, Counsel.
Yes.
Ma'am Gina, sinagot niyo na po dati yan.
Opo.
Na yung physical and financial plan na hinanda niyo, kumuha kayo ng input kay Colonel Lachica. Hindi po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Hindi po ba sa mga liquidation report, accomplishment report, pinapalabas nyo na tama yung pinagamitan ng confidential funds, pero yung totoo, wala kayong personal na kaalaman kung sino ang mga tunay na tumigap ng pera, hindi po ba?
Misleading, Your Honor.
I think the
I
record
think
is so obvious.
he's just about to be done, Counsel. Let's let him summarize his
Yeah.
points.
Hindi po ba? Hindi po ba, Madam Witness? Wala kayong personal na alam na tama yung pinagamitan ni Colonel La Chica despite the report, certification, kasi nga sabi niyo, nag-rely lang kayo kay Colonel La Chica and this time you added sa mga dokumento, hindi po ba?
As
Yes
an
or no?
answer, Your Honor.
I think as an answer. Last 2 questions, Your Honor.
Again, for emphasis, I think the witness will confirm that. Tama po, Ma'am Gina?
Nag-rely po ako sa sinabi ni Colonel La Chica at sa mga document na binigay niya sa akin, Your Honor, after po na-implement po niya sa ground ang mga confidential activities po, Your Honor.
At wala po kayo sa ground.
Yes po, wala po ako doon, Your Honor.
Hindi po ba dahil sa mga pinaggagawa niyo sa Office of the Vice President, nawalan ng paraan ang taong bayan na pagtugmain. I repeat, hindi ba't dahil sa pinaggagawa niyo nawalan ng paraan ang taong bayan nagpagtugmain, on one hand, ang paper trail,
I cannot
or not
understand.
yet, ma'am, or makadokumento, at the same, on the other hand, ang totoong money trail. Wala na pong paraan ng taong bayan na pagtugmain yung paper trail tsaka money trail. Hindi po ba? Yes or no?
Argumentative and
If,
speculative, Your Honor.
If you know, Ma'am Gina, kung alam niyo po, sabihin niyo po, alam niyo. Kung hindi niyo alam, sabihin niyo rin pong hindi niyo alam. Yung,
I will repeat the question if you may, Your Honor.
I think she understood the question, but
mas-
difficult to answer on her part, Counsel, but I don't want to put words in the mouth of
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
witness.
Malalim po ang Tagalog ni Attorney Lagutan po.
Ma'am, it's ligutan. Okay now.
Ay, sorry po. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
It's okay po.
I'm sorry po.
It's okay, ma'am.
Sorry
Okay.
po. Sorry po.
It's okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I will repeat the question. Kasi nga, sinasabi nyo, wala namang kayong kinalaman sa paano ginamit ni Colonel La Chica yung pera, pero sinecertify nyo na tama yung pinagamitan ng pera. So di po ba, yung taong bayan nawalan ng pamamaraan na pagtugmain, i-match yung mga dokumento, paper trail tawag natin dyan on one hand, tsaka yung aktual na paggamit ng pera or money trail. Napakaklaro na po. Nawalan po ang taong bayan ng pamamaraan at pagtugmain yung dalawang bagay na yan. Yes or no?
Speculative, Your
Wala
Honor.
po.
It's not.
Wala nawalan ang, ano yun?
Hindi nawalan.
Hindi nawalan, Your Honor.
Okay.
Kasi pwede po nila tanungin ang aming security officer na siya po ang nagpapatupad ng mga...
Okay now, last question.
Darating po tayo doon, ma'am. I assure you. I hope we will arrive to that point.
Ma'am,
Po.
hindi ba ito isang scam or tahasang panlililang sa
Argumentative,
pera ng
Your
taong
Honor.
bayan?
Argumentative, Your Honor.
Counsel, it's not only argumentative, but kindly use appropriate language as well inside this court.
Your Honor, may we move to strike that last question, Your Honor, for being impertinent, Your Honor.
It's very much pertinent.
I tend to agree with counsel for the respondent. The word scam is stricken from the record. It did not come from the witness's mouth. Kindly reform a bit, counsel. I think I know where you're getting at too. And you've
That
said
would
it
be all
anyway.
for the prosecution for this witness, Your Honor. Wag na.